happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you to those who are tuning in for the first time, and welcome back to those who continue to tune in from week to week. So I wanted to come in today because to share with you some of the dresses that during the winter, I'm in Texas. As you can tell by the title, I am in Texas, and you all know for the most part I make a lot of sleeveless or very short sleeve garments, and so I thought it would be interesting to share because I want to go through my closet myself to see, okay, some things I haven't worn just yet this season. I've worn them, but not this season. Just a couple things are new over the past few months, but this is Know Me. I wrote it down, 2007. I just made this in January, and then it started getting warmer, and it's a little bit of a thicker. This is from Joann Fabrics knit, and so feels a little too hot when it starts getting in the 80s. And you all, for those who live in the Texas area or you live in the humid areas, once it starts getting humid, stuff like this is just not something you will wear. But this is something, you know, I wore today because it's a little cooler out. We're about 65, 70-ish up in there, so it is a little cooler, so I was happy to finally break this back out. And I thought, why not share some of the pieces that I would wear during my Texas winter time, right? And so I just grabbed a few, and I wanted to share with you a couple different ways because majority of what I'll be sharing with you are shirt dresses. I have low-key did not realize my obsession with shirt dresses, all variations. And because I started wearing my shirt dresses differently, not just as a shirt dress, but over other garments, pants, skirts, other dresses. And the thing is, I don't take pictures of everything every time I leave the house. I don't take pictures in everything that I wear because I'm happen to be one of those sewists. I don't buy ready to wear. It's if I don't put on something in my closet, I'm not going anywhere because everything I wear, I have made for myself. So, you know, that's not hard for me. Anytime I leave the house, I got on something me made. But so I don't take pictures and everything, so I will pop up pictures for those things I have taken pictures in, just so you can see. And there's videos for all of these. I will link down in the description box the patterns and then the YouTube video if you want to go over and check out a review. But again, the first item I'm sharing today, this is the Know Me 2007. I love this. It's so comfortable. It has pockets. I remember this from my review. The pockets are a little lower than I think they should be. But yeah, I definitely love this. So comfortable. Again, dresses are my thing. That is usually my go-to because it's something I can just slip on and just keep it moving. But let's jump into some of these other pieces. Now, I believe I'll let you know the ones I've previously made. But these are, for the most part, are all from this year. This is actually the Love Notions Timbre top and dress. I made the dress version. Love this. Yes, I can wear it as a shirt dress, but I wore this over a skirt. I've worn this over leggings. I've worn it a couple different ways. And so I absolutely love it. Very comfortable, of course, in my favorite color, but I absolutely love it. The next two are the same pattern. So this is, you all recognize it, again, my low-key obsession with shirt dresses, and I found a pattern that I absolutely love how this fits on me, so that's why I have two. This is from the Mimi G. This is from my 10-piece summer dress collection series, and I made this, and then I made another one because it was the hack of the Mimi G shirt button up from her book into a dress. And so I went through all that hacking and modification. So yes, I was making another, and here it is, and I'm making another one. You already know I've talked about some recent fabric that I have gotten. If you missed my fabric haul, the items I picked up from Black Friday, go check that out. And then I did a little something different in my most recent video. Well, actually, I went live. By the time you've seen this, I would have gone live. I made that punch needle. Remember the kit I shared in my fabric haul, Black Friday. I ended up going live impromptu on a couple days ago by the time you're seeing this. And did the punch needle live, and so cute, like how that turned out. But anyway, so those are the shirt dresses. Another shirt dress I absolutely love wearing, if you all remember this is the Fiber and Cloth Studios, the agave dress. Now you can make a top, just a shirt, or the shirt dress. I did the shirt dress, and this is the one where I added the lace with the sleeves. Absolutely love wearing this. And yes, I wear this again double waist. And the one thing about it is I have a dress here. This is the Love Notions laundry day tee. That's what this is. And I made this is in a cotton, this was a cotton jersey, I do believe. But the thing is, one of the things like I say with my shirt dresses, I would wear this during the winter month over this shirt dress over this. I love that this has orange in it, but this is a solid orange. I will wear this over. It's just different ways. I'm always looking to rewear, as we all do, right? How to pair our items differently and wear them a little differently, and so to get the most use out of them. And so that is some of the ways I do that for the shirt dresses that I have. This one I have had for years. Anybody who have been following along on my channel, this is a BHM Pattern Designers. Aaron is no longer in business. This is Style So Me Patterns. This was, I feel like this was called the Boyfriend Button Up. I might gotten that wrong, but the review is on my channel. I'll link to it down in the description box. But I made it into a dress. It's a button-up shirt, but I love the fit. And this one actually has a curved hem at the bottom, and it is long. I love it, and I wear it the same way. I wear it over a dress, over pants, over skirt. Yeah, after I started doing that, I tried it earlier this year. I was like, I really like that, and I love that I can get more wears out of a particular garment. And so the next, another shirt dress. I told y'all, low-key, I'm just a shirt dress fanatic. And there's a couple other shirt dresses I have patterns that I want to make. But anyway, that I have not yet. That's a slightly different style. But anyway, that's probably coming in 2025. Stay tuned. But this here is the Itch to Stitch Ladera dress. Another shirt dress, but this one I love because it has the ties in that come out the front. So pretty and so comfortable. Again, now this one I probably wouldn't wear just because I like I like how it looks with the ties in the front. So as of right now, I haven't envisioned wearing it over a skirt or something else, but I could see me doing that by only buttoning to the part where to the tie and leaving the bottom totally open, and then putting a skirt on or some pants or something like that and giving it a different look. Can totally see doing that, but as of right now, I've just been wearing it as a dress strictly. So absolutely love that. Again, I will leave links to all the YouTube videos if you're interested in any of these. Now this one is another more recent one this year as well. I think the only one that's older is, well, the Style So Me one, and then there's another one over here. But this is another one from my 10-piece summer dress collection series. Now, when I started that series, remember I said probably everything that I'm making I can wear in the winter. I've already shown you 3-4 dresses. Actually, all those dresses technically I can wear in the winter months, but I will say these are probably the ones I will gravitate to more, mainly because they're longer. And the fabric on them is just I won't say heavier. I almost feel like that's the wrong word because I'm in Texas and I tend to stay away from heavy textiles. But at any rate, this is the Deer and Doe Orchidee dress. Love, love, love. And this is long too. Absolutely love, 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 love this. And this is one that I would usually wear. This is like my church dress. I would wear to church, or if I had a meeting or something like that. You know, I would wear that one. And then this one was, I did this during, was it Precious Fabric Challenge earlier this year? This is actually Simplicity 8983. Simplicity 8983. Again, it's a patchwork, but it is so nice. It almost feels like a denim. I think I said that in that video. And I've gotten used to the collar. I think you all might have recalled when I talked about this initially. I'm not used to just having the collar stand without the collar, like that look. But I was like, okay, it grew on me. But I have one that's in knit. And I think because knit obviously lays different from a woven, because I'm totally fine with this. I wear this thing all the time to death. But anyway, so yeah, this is Simplicity 8983. Absolutely love this. Again, great for as I am going into the winter here in Texas. And then last but not least is Vogue 1937. I did a sew along for this. You guys, I wear this thing. Oh, this was, what was this fabric from? This was Minerva. This is one of their Minerva prints. And when I tell you, as much as I wear this, because this is super long, it's knit, and I just throw a tank up underneath because of the V. And again, it's just this type of collar. It just sits nicely, has pockets on it and everything. And I like the detail in it. You guys, this is not really, it's very, ever so slightly starting to peel. Not really. It's fuzzy. I won't say peel, like that fuzzy, you know, that fuzzy that you can get on knit, but it's not something a lint roller will pick up. Like peeling, you can use a lint roller, get the little bubbles, the little balls off. There's no balls on here. It's just fuzzy, if that makes sense. But I love throwing this on. This is so super easy to wear. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today, because I am at, and maybe some of you are, you can share with me down in the comment section below. I am at the point of the time of year where I'm not making anything else, like garment wise. I'm looking through, I purposely, I figured this would be a good video because I was going through all of my dresses, like, well, what would I probably wear the most? Now, during the winter months, if there's anything I feel like I want to make before the end of the year, the only thing that I have coming at the end of the year is the December subscriber pick. That is coming at the end of the month. But I wanted to share in this video, and I think my next video will be something semi-similar. We shall see. I might have something different coming Wednesday. But anyway, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. But yeah, I thought, again, as I was just saying, as I'm clearing out, finalizing, if I can get my words together, the year, there was nothing else I felt like I really needed. And because I'm being a little bit more thoughtful about how I am pairing the things I've already made together, wearing them differently, so I don't feel like, oh, I need something new, even though I like making the things, don't get it twisted. But I just feel like right now I don't necessarily need a lot, and certain things that I do feel like I want to make, I'm just gonna hold that out until January, because I don't need to make all of the things in December. Things will happen in January, and you all know BHM Pattern Designers is coming up in February, and yeah, I got plans for that as well. But anyway, just wanted to come in and share with you if any of these pieces you think you like or you want to try. Again, I'll leave a link to the YouTube videos down in the description box with the description of all of these, and you can go check it out. Maybe it's something that you might want to try, might want to do. If you have the patterns, most certainly if you have the patterns, just pull them out. Just go ahead and pull them out and make them. And so, but that is it, everybody. I thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you have any questions or any comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. But thank you, everybody, for tuning in, and we will see you on Wednesday. Bye.